In this video, we're going to take a look at experimental probability, often known as relative frequency. So this is a real-world equivalent to the theoretical probabilities we've been working with so far. So we can use real-life data to come up with conclusions about probabilities. So let's take a look at this example. Matthew decides to try to estimate the probability that the toast lands butter side down when dropped. He drops a piece of buttered toast 50 times and observes that it lands butter side down 30 times. Estimate the probability that it lands butter side down. So it's just like probabilities in the previous videos. It happened 30 out of 50 times. Just like before, the number of successful trials divided by the total number of trials. This is our definition of relative frequency or experimental probability. So our answer is 30 over 50. In this case, it can still be simplified to 3/5, but that's all we're doing. We're just using our real life data. Sarah tosses a coin 200 times. She gets 108 heads and 92 tails. Using her results, estimate the probability of obtaining a head when the coin is tossed. So in this case, it's not just a half like you would expect it to be because we're estimating using the data. It's going to be 108 over 200 as a fraction, right? Now, we could do that as a division and work out a decimal equivalent. We could simplify it, I guess, and write it as 54 over 100. That's fine as well, but it doesn't matter in this particular case. We can leave it like that. That is the answer. A tail, of course, would be 92 over 200. That would be the estimate of the probability there.